What's up, everybody? We got the System Sensor SpectrAlert Advance right there on my fire alarm board. I just got this fire alarm yesterday, and I really do like it a lot. The tone that it is on is code 3, low volume, and the strobe is 1575 candela. So we're gonna go ahead and give it a test. It's gonna be a little loud, so I recommend you turn your volume down. And anyone who has any problems with the strobe flashing, please don't watch this. I'm not responsible for anything that goes wrong, so if you're epileptic or you have problems with loud noises, don't watch this. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and set off the alarm with my 24-volt DC adapter here. So, give it a quick test. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Alright, so that is a test of my System Sensor SpectrAlert Advance. I hope you enjoyed, and please stay tuned for some more fire alarm videos.